I just got back from Dollar General because I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on this, and I don't want my students to spend much money. Although I will say again, for 1,000 years, I've gotten by with nothing more than a highlighter, a pencil, and a pen but I've always annotated my books. For one thing, I'm a little bit attention deficit, and annotating is my book is the way that I keep myself on track. Otherwise, I'm here reading the words, and my mind is thinking about, I need to go out and weed eat my yard, and I sure do need to clean my kitchen, and oh my gosh, who's going to clean my bathroom? And I don't even know what I just read. Highlighting is a way to be active on your page. It's a way to, yes, it is indeed a reminder of what's important about what you're reading, but it's also a way to keep yourself in the ball game. So I've always highlighted, but just a cheap highlighter is fine. You don't need, you can spend $50 on a pack of highlighters, or you can spend 50 cents to $1 on a yellow highlighter. I kind of like this 50-cent one. But anyway, while I was at Dollar General looking for Post-it notes, which they had none of, I did find these little journals, the set of 3 journals, and they're cute. I recommend that everybody make a book journal for Something Wicked This Way Comes. It could be that you might write quotes in one of them, follow your characters in another one, and write descriptive passages in another one, or whatever you want to do. In the same place, I found this weekly planner. I only wish they had another day, because I don't have a day off. I work Sunday through Sunday, so I don't understand people that get the old lady in Downton Abbey, weekend. What is a weekend? I'm just the opposite of her. I don't understand people who have weekends either. But anyway, I wish this had 7 blocks, but it does. You can divide that up or do something else. But anyway, you might need to start logging your progress when you read. And this is a good, I think it's $1, a good cheap way to log your reading progress and what you may have to do next. I don't know. I have a ton of journals. I am journal poor. And as it turns out, you can, look at that. That has little things too. I didn't even know I had these. These are some more notes that I bought with this journal. A monthly planner is a good kind of journal. And if you can, I got this at Hobby Lobby. This is, but you know something, it's really kind of a waste for me, because I spend 14 to 18 hours every day on the computer writing, and I don't write in a journal. I do journal, but it's on my computer. And I thought that when I started teaching, I would need this thing with me at all times, and I did the first day. You see, that's my first day teaching. But I don't really use this. But this particular journal, I could do everything. I could buy a weekly planners for it, and I could buy a monthly planners, and then I can buy notebook paper where I can write. To me, this is an ideal type of journal, because it has a calendar, it has different ways to track your progress, and it has a way to keep notes. But I don't use it, so... But I'm going to get better, though. I'm going to do better. But anyway, so